Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons, and today we have some fun things planned, but let's first get in the car because it's bloody hot outside. Let's give the E46 a quick startup, cool up the car and get on our way, and I'll tell you more about what we're going to be doing today. Right, let's start her up. Woohoo! I love the sound of this. I may just like the Beamer a little bit more than this, okay. It's so much more comfortable. It looks good. Alright, let's get on our way. Quick pull, guys. So yeah, as I was saying, we have something fun planned today. We are going car shopping, you guys. So I've been looking for a new car now to add to the fleet. We have the BMW, we have the R6. So I've been looking for another car, and we might possibly be adding a Porsche to the collection now. Well, not a collection because I'm going to use it. I'm not just going to keep it and enjoy looking at it. So we're gonna go look at a Porsche first generation Cayenne. Yes, it is an entry-level Porsche. That's alright. It's a base model coming at a really good price, and I think it's gonna be a really good project car. So I'm headed there right now. You guys come along, do a full walk around of the car. Let's check it out. Let's see what are the issues, and if it turns out to be fine, we're gonna take it to the shop, have it PPI'd, and then pick it up. So don't leave, you guys. Stay tuned. We're headed there. We're going to be looking at the Porsche very soon, like right now. So this is it, you guys. It's a good looking Porsche, right? The wheels, they are mad. I think there must be like 21 inch. Pretty sick ones. 22 inches. 22-inch wheels. And it's perfect that it's got the badge on the wheel too. It's not like ours, which has got the BBS badge. It's a good color on the Cayenne. I think the E46 and this Cayenne are gonna match really well. They're gonna look really nice together, parked right next to each other. And this one's got a pretty good interior too. Well, there are some problems with it, but it is an old car, so all black interior. Nice comfy seats. So yeah, it's a pretty good car, but now we're gonna look at what are the issues on the car, right? Starting with the interior and the engine. So we do have a few engine lights on. We got a normal engine warning light. There seems to be an issue and they're not able to find out, the mechanics are not able to find out what the issue is. So that might be a bit of a fix that we need to look at. And there's also this dent here. Oh, and by the way, this is a Turbo S tail lights and they look really good for this color. It's like how we have our front lamps in our E46. It's like they're all blacked out. It looks amazing. So yeah, there's this dent. That is a bit of an issue that we're going to have to pull out with a suction cup of some sorts. We also have another issue inside. So this doesn't stay up. So we're gonna have to probably change the sensor here. I'm not sure how much that's gonna cost. I'm gonna have to check with the mechanics or online. And also the headliner is dropping because of parking out in the sun. So that's gonna be a bit of an expensive fix. And finally, the seat, it's popping out. So this is gonna have to get stuck. I think I can do this fix myself. It's not that gonna be that big a deal. But on a whole, for the age of the car and for what I'm gonna get this deal at, I think this is a pretty good project car. It's a good looking car, nice color, and even if you wrap it, it look pretty sick. Not a fan of the chrome trims. Should have been better with the black trims, but not gonna complain. Just nice SUV, a good family SUV. So as I was doing my homework on the Porsche Cayenne, I found out that this is actually a downline of the Volkswagen Touareg or the Q7. So it's got pretty much the same engine classifications. It's got a 3.2 liter V6 engine pushing out on 257 brake horsepower, and it's powerful enough for the city roads and for a family to drive. I'm sorry about the sound, guys. So there is some work going on here on the barge. I'll try to turn away so that gets muted. So yeah, this car is from the Touareg and the Q7 lineup, and this is a competition for the Mercedes ML class and a few other of those luxury SUVs. So now let's start up the car. Let's see how it sounds. It's not got an exhaust, but it's, from what I've heard, it sounds pretty good. So feet on the brakes, key in. Alright, so we have a few lights, seat belt, no worries. Just have this engine light, which I think is not going to be that much of a problem. Not bad, right? Not bad for a stock car, and that is more than 10 years old. I think this is pretty good. So now let's go for a quick drive and feel how the car is on the road.
And then slowly, there's people. On the right is police, Castle
Okay.
P police. On the left is
Back onto that
back
road,
to the
yeah.
tennis court. The brake is not, to me, it's not a very good brake.
It's not very strong, right?
Yeah, so you may want to change the brake at one point.
Yeah.
Just personal. But for me, it's just daily family use. It's more than enough.
Yeah.
For me, it's more than enough.
Now guys, this is David. He's going to be selling us the car if you choose to buy it.
Yeah.
So yeah, David, you were saying you just changed the air conditioning on the car.
Yeah, I just upgraded, updated the Freon.
Okay, that's nice.
Fuel up. It's called fuel up.
I mean, it's got the stock music system. Where's the light? Okay, still not bright enough. Okay, it's got the stock music system.
Yeah, you have this, multiple discs, radio, iPod, TV, it's many things.
Okay.
And you have Bluetooth if you want to connect to your...
Yeah, in my car I use that tiny bassiest Bluetooth now. It's not really fun to control with that. Alright, brakes on. So yeah guys, I like the car. It feels good.
It's a very, very safe car.
Yeah.
It's super safe.
Uh-huh.
And when you drive it, the taxi driver doesn't give you a hard time.
Okay.
Yeah, because they're Porsche, they don't know how much it costs, but they don't want to get into trouble with that.
So they won't drive so fast around
yeah,
you.
around you, and they know.
Yeah. It's a good looking car.
Yeah.
I really like the...
Yeah, it's beautiful. I changed it.
Color.
I bought it from US. I ordered from US.
Oh, the lights? Okay.
Yeah, I endorsed it myself.
Okay.
I'm an engineer. I endorsed myself.
Alright guys, so that's about it. We might be picking up the Porsche Cayenne. I don't know yet. We got to take it to the shop and check it out. David has been kind enough to let me drive it around, experience the car firsthand. So do stay tuned, you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button. And you like today's video, smash the like button. That was a slip. That's okay. I was talking too fast. So do smash the like button, you guys. And I'll catch you in the next one. And let's stay positive and let's see if we can get this Cayenne. So until the next time, peace.